Hi guys, good morning and hello to everyone. आज चाहिँ हामी फार्ममा जान लागेको एउटा सानो फार्ममा. I'm taking my baby with other moms, so we're going there. So we'll see you over there. Take care. Alright guys, we are ready and impunda चाहिँ बसिसकेको छ. So yeah, farm चाहिँ हामी जान लागेको छौँ. So let's see. अनि अरू प्लेनहरू पनि देख्दो रहेछ यहाँबाट त. So huge place हो. म चाहिँ आइपुगेँ. I think I'm the first one to arrive. It's so beautiful. कति राम्रो रहेछ. यहाँ बोटमा चाहिँ animal land रहेछ. Wow, look at it. Beautiful. There's the place. Shop पनि रहेछ if you want to eat. And that's my baby. And यो चाहिँ ticket counter रहेछ. So we have to buy a ticket from here before we go there. We can go without ticket as well, but अनि के अरे एनिमलहरू चाहिँ एक्सेस हुँदैन होला सायद त्यही भएर. So we'll get the ticket first, then we'll go. Okay, let's try this one up. Yes, we have to. This one, eh? There you go, and one for mommy. Momलाई help. Momलाई help गर्नुस्. There you go. There you go. There you go. Are you ready to go now? Are we ready? Yes, Vandana. Let's go, Vandana. Let's go, friends, Vandana. Let's go, Vandana. Look, there's a bumblebee. Following this one. Hi, guys.
Hi, Nita. How are you all?
We're good. You're so early. You're so early.
We are the earliest.
Early bird. Hi. So cute. You're early too.
Yeah, early.
Evelyn, I'm surprised. You're so early.
Thank you guys for coming to our farm. Enjoy.
Thank you, mommy. Here, say something, mommy.
What I gotta say?
Where are we? Yeah, you're early today, mommy. Yoshi, your mommy is early today. Yeah? Yeah?
You're not late today.
You're not late because you said you told me that's why I'm early.
I am so sorry.
No, that's okay.
Coming.
Yeah,
I wasn't sure if we were coming, but we just came.
it's good idea to come with the kids.
I don't know, do some things for Saturday, but
Oh.
I can do it tomorrow. Wipe her nose and thank you, Tita.
There you go. Everyone, most of us are here. Evelyn is here.
Wipe nose, Tita.
Jean is here. What do you want to say?
What's inside?
Tita Lynn, what do you want to say?
Poop inside here.
What do you want to say?
Thank you for coming, everyone.
Mommies? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 babies. Yeah. मान्छे पार्कमा स्टप गरेको छ ममहरूसँग अन्त Ata, what you doing? Say thank you. Yeah. Are you excited, Alita?
Wait,
Yeah. All right, banana.
look, this one is good.
Really? Oh. Maybe wait for the smaller one, mommy.
Right, Tommy.
Oh, you can. Hey. Hi, guys. You three? Are you guys ready? Alita, you ready? What happened to you? Always go up.
Later, share, and want to share. Share, thank you.
Good job, Ellie. Good job, Ellie. It will be okay. Don't remove it. Don't remove it. It will be okay. Let's distract with something else. Well done, Ellie. Well done. Well done, Ellie. Good job. Well done. Yay. Now it's Yoshi's turn. After Yoshi, it's your turn. Yoshi. So, come here. Elvis, come back. Wow. I'll give you mommy here. Take a video, okay? I'll give you. Now, let's go feed the bunny. There are two horses, right? There are two, right? And they still told one is big. Let's go. It's our second destination. There we go. Hi. Hi. Wow, we have to go here. We are a bunny. We are a... Let's go and see bunny. Where's the bunny? Where's the bunny? Here. Hi, bunny. Manana. Gentle touch, go on. Gentle touch. Gentle touch. Gentle touch. Gentle touch. Gentle touch. It's a chicken. Hi, chicken. How are you, Vanekoi? How are you, chicken Mananda? Yeah, Punto, see. What's that? Oh my God. इसका नाम क्यों? इसका नाम क्यों? इसका नाम क्यों? Alita, इसका नाम क्यों? Alita, इसका नाम क्यों? Oh my God. Hi, Garanta. Musa लाई. Hi, Musa बना. ठुलो Musa बन्दे. No. यहाँ bunny यहाँ छ. Gentle touch, gentle touch, gentle touch. Alita, Ellie, gentle touch. Gentle touch, Garanta, uyan, gentle touch. Gentle touch. Gentle. 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 Touch. No? Touch. Gentle, Gana. Gentle touch. Gentle touch. Good, Eloise. Good. It's okay to touch. It's okay to touch. Okay. Okay, Alta, now. It's Eloise time. Eloise, come here. Come here. The light is so perfect here. Here, gentle. Touch. Chicken. gentle touch. Are you done? Hi, chicken, Mana. Look. Hi, chicken. Here on there. Hi, chicken. Aww. Hi, Bunny. Here you go. Hop, little bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, little. Hop, hop, up and. Hi, Ellie. Well done, Ellie. Well done. Oh my God, so cute. And the bunny. It's a bird. Wow, so cute. Look at the dog. Say hi. Here, Punta, feed the dog. Punta, feed the dog. Here, feed the dog. Beside, hey, Ali, Ali. Here. Alois, where's your container? Oh, why? Here, here. Take it from here. Take it from here. Take it. Come on, feed. Alita, go feed, feed, feed. Alita, go give. Yushi. Hi, Quack Quack. What a mother duck said. Mother duck said. Love, pick it. Mother duck said. Oh, yeah, mother duck. Mother duck. Mother duck said. Yoshi touch here. Wanna touch? Someone is in love. Yoshi, Alois. Happy birthday, Ellie. Happy birthday, dear Ellie. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray. Hooray. Happy birthday, Ellie. Happy birthday, Ellie. Clap your hands. Thank you, everyone. Yay. Hi. Selfie, guys, and then you. Nice. Goat, goat. It's a goat. It's not a sheep. Here. Give the food. Give it to. Here. This is how you feed. They're eating. Good. Good holding. There you go. All done, guys. You want more? Okay, give. Give some. Here, give some. Don't give your cone, Puntu. Mokai no din free. Yeah. Hi, goat. This is busy. Look over there. Say ma. Ma, get up, Puntu. Puntu के भन्छ शिपले? हेर. Ma. Ma. Okay. Okay. All done, mana. Finish, mana. Bye, God, mana. Bye bye. Ah. Let's go now. Follow Tita. It's a cow. What does the cow say, Puntu? Moo. Iya, iya. Everywhere, moo moo.
Oh, there's an electric fence. Look. What's your name?
The top part, I think so.
My name is.
My name is. Good. Hi, Ponto. Where you going? Hi. Knock knock. Where are you? Yeah, peekaboo. रमाइलो भइरहेको छ पुन्टु यस रमाइलो भइरहेको छ खै मामालाई यस भनेनौ नि त खै मामालाई यस भनेनौ नि त इका Boo. Someone is so tired. I'm going to sleep. No buhat, baby. We love you, baby. Hi, horse. Go to nhau nè, nha, nha, nha. Nha. Hi, horse. Bananda. Oh, they're going. Say bye. Bye, horse. Banda.
Bye. See you next time.
Okay, let's